I never run out of content ideas. Throughout my marketing career, I was constantly pushed into situations where I had to come up with content in industries that I don't even like gardening. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 ways to find endless content for your content calendar as a marketer or as a small business owner. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is Annie and I'm a digital marketer for the past 3 years. And I also run a podcast where I talk to high-level marketers about marketing. I want to go further than just simple ChatGPT prompt. And I want to go even deeper than just going on tools like Answer the Public and take all the ideas from there. You and I want content ideas that resonate with our audience and directly sell our products or our clients' products. I want to teach you guys some very simple way of thinking so that you can get endless content to whatever you're trying to do, whether it's SEO, social media, paid advertising. You're always going to have one idea in your pocket that's gonna resonate with your audience. And to be honest, after AI, you wouldn't be thinking, oh, this chick should be talking about automations, complex prompt engineering. No, honestly, AI can only do so much, and you should learn too how to become an artificial intelligent machine. And how do you do that? Is by understanding search engines and combining it with creativity. Isn't that what us marketers do? All right, so let's start with tip number 1 is to do a simple Google search. This might sound very trivial, but Google is the biggest search engine on the planet. And if you just type in your product or service, first page will tell you a lot of content ideas right on the spot. Why? Because Google has already made the hard work for you and associated a bunch of articles, images, questions, videos related to your product or service. Now take those ideas and put it in your content calendar. When people type in a word, they already have an intention in mind what they want to see. And in this case, or the weight loss case, they want to see a process. They want to see how to get to point A to point B, which is having a lot of weight on your body versus having not a lot of weight, right? That idea alone, a search intent, can tell you a lot what people already want to see from your content. And what also I like to do is to go through people also ask, you already see on the first page. And if I was a marketer for a company or an industry that I don't fully know, I would maybe take those people also ask questions and turn it into social media posts, because you just do a shortcut. Instead of people searching on Google, you turn that into a social media post on your own brand, and all of a sudden you become the person who understands the topic really, really well. Also, if you scroll down on the end of the first page, you're gonna see related searches, which are terms or questions or keywords that are strongly related to the main thing that you've been searching the whole time. Tip number 2 is to do a simple TikTok or YouTube search. Unlike Google, I am still on the fence whether YouTube and TikTok are search engines, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that those platforms have really viral content that you can see with number of views, number of comments, etc. So when you go on YouTube or TikTok, you can see what are the most liked or most popular content in your industry, and those are basically like an idea gold mine, because people on these platforms literally show what they like. So if they are reviewing a product in your niche that is again related to weight loss, you have a great opportunity to take a turn and see like, if I was a fitness coach, would I recommend this product to other people to lose weight? Yes or no? And that alone can be a great content that immediately resonates with your current client profiles or your current customers. Again, just by taking the most viral videos can give you at least 5 to 10 content ideas for the next month. And my final, most important tip to get endless content on your content calendar involves the most old school way of generating content, which is pen and paper. I know after the world of AI, you would be experimenting with a lot of automations or like a lot of ChatGPT prompting. But if your job is to actually create content and think of content that resonates with your audience, it really takes common sense, which is writing down what are the emotional and financial benefits of people using your products or services. That's it. Many agencies and marketers fail to understand what they are trying to sell exactly to their audience. A lot of agencies, for example, they would be doing a great job at making amazing videos, but they don't convert somehow. Or some marketers would just like throw a lot of money at Facebook ad campaigns and Google ad campaigns without understanding what is the overall return that the client wants from our company. And the best way to start brainstorming with this method is to ask yourself, what are the final feelings and results that the customer will have after buying your products or services? For example, if you are selling sleep mask, you're not only selling a thing that they sew together and put it on your face and you sleep. You actually sell people a better experience of sleeping, so they rest more, so they feel much more productive. So you actually sell productivity and relaxation at the same time, because when people buy your sleep mask, that means they can sleep better. If they sleep better, they feel better, they have more time to do things that they like to do. This is the single most important answer for endless content, is to ask yourself, what is the bottom line that people will be feeling and getting after working with you? You can do the exact same thing with any product or service and put them all into a second brain. Which leads me to my final point. The last thing that keeps your ideas endless in content marketing is to have a second brain, which is honestly, in simple terms, is called a database. Whenever you have a new idea or you come up with a new TikTok and you're like a new short video that you like to repurpose, you need to put it on somewhere. And those places are places that you know that you can find ideas from. So for me, it could be your simple notebook, or it could be your Google Calendar, your note app, anything that could work for you. For me, I've been using Notion for the past 3 years to become my second brain, where I put all my ideas when I travel somewhere and I come up with something new, or when I see something on social media, I immediately put it on Notion. And I know that from Notion, I can put it immediately to my content calendar so the team can work on it immediately. By the way, if you would like to see how I use Notion for content marketing, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this far into the video. I hope these tips really help you to find endless content for your social media channels, for your podcast, and for your YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me a like and hit subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna upload videos every Sunday. I also have a podcast called The Aspiring CMO, where I talk with high-level marketers and influencers to become better at marketing every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!